There are two fuse boxes on a 2002 through 2006 Toyota Camry. The first one is located on the dash on the driver's side. There'll be a cover here that you remove by pulling out. You'll see the fuses behind that cover. Back side of this cover will be labeled the fuse position. There's also a fuse box under the hood on the driver's side. You need to push in on this tab here and lift up. You'll see the fuses and relays underneath that cover. The back side of that cover will also be labeled with the position of the fuses and relays.